a few of the challenges what you would see with the traditional data warehousing solutions. So the traditional data warehousing platforms or solutions are built on top of the relational database or relational database systems or on the concepts of RDBMS. So one of the challenges what you would ideally face with the RDBMS when your data warehousing platforms are built on top of it is, as your data volume increases or as your data volume grows, you cannot scale unlimited data storage, or you cannot do a horizontal scaling with the traditional RDBMSs. That's a true fact, and you'll see a lot of challenges in scaling that to unlimited storage when you use a traditional RDBMS to build your data warehousing platform. That's first thing. And the second thing is basically you will also see there is a lot of focus or emphasis on scaling up or doing a vertical scaling with the traditional RDBMSs. What I mean is basically the focus or emphasis on the traditional RDBMS solutions is to build a very powerful standalone machines with, say, lots of RAM, lots of storage, and lots of centralized computing kind of environment. So when you have to scale out, it is not a feasible option because database concepts are built and focused on building centralized storage rather than decentralized storage. So the primary focus of RDBMS is to have centralized storage and vertical scaling kind of a concept where you will get the strong consistency needs and you will get low latency read or write requirements. Both of them serve two different purposes. So those are the challenges you face. You'll not be able to scale out or do a horizontal scaling, and you'll not be able to do a scale out approach where you have to invest a lot of resources in doing vertical scaling when it comes to traditional RDBMSs and data warehousing platforms built on top of that. And also you cannot build with a cost-effective way. So if you have a huge data need on which you have to build your enterprise data solutions using the conventional RDBMSs, you have to shell out a lot of money and a lot of investment is required. So traditional data warehousing is very well suitable for OLTP kind of applications where you have to have all those acidness or low latency and all the SQL and SQL kind of requirements. In some cases, it is also suitable for OLAP kind of a thing. So Hadoop comes in and solves a different problem altogether, which we'll be talking into details pretty soon. The pros of building enterprise data warehouse solutions is, like as I mentioned, you can perform a bit of ad hoc queries on structured data with very low latencies, and it is fully SQL compliant, and it only works very well with the structured data and structured schema, which you have to be figuring it out upfront even before you decide what is your data query needs. Hadoop works a little bit totally different. So if your need is to go with real-time querying and real-time processing, so maybe enterprise data warehousing solutions fits into the bill. But if it has to be more of an unstructured data, huge volumes of data, cost-effective solution, and if it has to be capable of managing unstructured, unschema or flexible schema kind of a structure, then you need to look out for something different. Okay, so that's where Hadoop fits into the bill. So Hadoop is the right